All right.
Oh, hello there. Salam. Danish?
Danish.
Danani. Danish.
Dana.
Betasab Dananacho?
Dananacho.
Hulum Dananacho?
Dananacho.
Amano? Hey guys, what's up? It's Amena. So today I want to show you kind of something that I like to call a power food. This is an Ethiopian food called TELBA. And let me show you. So, as you can see in Amharic, it says TELBA.
Yeah.
It says TELBA.
Yeah.
Right? I know how to read, sir.
You just get, the word talba, so there's only.
Excuse me, I know how to read Amharic. This is basically flaxseed. This is actually really, really good if you're having any digestive issues, constipation, or if you're dealing with, your stomach, upset stomach, stuff like that. This actually works so well. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this super easy talba Ethiopian power food. It is gluten-free, no gluten, and yeah, it's so easy and delicious. So let's us get started.
What do you got right here?
Oh, these are my Deglet Nur dates. So these are organic, obviously. And this is another thing that also helps with digestion. If you just eat 2 dates a day, guess what? You won't have any digestive issues anymore. So yeah, actually I prefer the Deglet brand because the Medjugorje dates, which is the most famous dates, have twice the amount of sugar as these ones. So that's why I prefer these Deglet dates. They have half the amount of sugar, and if you just eat 2 of these, it's only 6 carbs a day. So yeah, get yourself some Deglet dates. And it tastes so good, guys. It tastes the same as the Medjugorje. It tastes delicious. It's really good. Kind of addictive.
You're supposed to eat 2, right?
Yeah.
Last night I ate like 50 of them.
That's why it's empty.
That's why it was full.
That's why it's only halfway empty. This is a big box. Okay.
So good.
It's the same as Medjugorje. You never heard of Medjugorje? Country boy. Alright.
We don't eat dates.
Yeah, you don't have dates in Ethiopia?
We do they sell it, but I don't know.
But you don't grow it because you don't have date trees.
No.
We do in Sudan.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, we have a big.
I think, yeah, the dates, no. Junkie, you gotta go back.
Good girl. Alright, let's start making the talba now. Guess what? The talba pan that I need is...
What is that?
Dirty!
Oh,
Elias,
you gotta wash it. I did clean last night. I cleaned last night. I ain't gonna clean again.
Stop saying ain't, and yes you are.
I ain't gonna clean.
Alright, let me wash the pan that I need then.
See, whenever I cook, I clean immediately.
Lies.
I swear, nope, that's not a lie.
When do you
Just
cook?
give me some credit sometimes.
When
Come
do you
on.
cook exactly?
I cook the day before yesterday and yesterday. I made this. I made rice and chicken. Right?
Lies. All lies.
Nope. Right here we have unhealthy barbecue legs.
I don't eat that shit no more.
You used to eat like
Not anymore.
12 of them every single day.
Yeah.
Not
Not
anymore.
anymore. So this is going to be a very simple recipe. Let me show you how I do it. I personally like to measure everything. So I take exactly 1/3 of a cup. So when I make this, I'm just making it 1 serving size, like just to eat it one time. I'm not making a lot. I'm using 1/3 of a cup of talba or flaxseed, and I'm putting my stove on like a medium, and you're just gonna roast these until they start popping.
To.
And then it will pop. Talba binchacha banda mukacha.
It's okay, alright? Talba binchacha banda
Talba
mukacha.
binchacha banda mukacha.
See?
My talba is starting to pop. And
What the heck is that? Pop.
I'm just gonna stir it
Oh.
a little bit. Like this. And then
Run!
and then
Oh, you gotta put it. Oh my god. It's just like
Talba everywhere. So you just want to like heat it up just a little bit, but not too much because once it burns, it's not going to taste good anymore.
yeah.
So you just heat it up until you can smell it, literally. And I can smell it, and it smells good. Now you're going to turn the heat off. This is how it looks. Look at the mess that Elias made on the stove with this Talba.
No man.
Now what you want to do is you want to grab a coffee grinder. So you're basically going to grind it up. So this is my coffee grinder. AKA I don't have a coffee grinder. I had one but it broke. So we're going to do it the old fashioned way and use a mortar and pestle. And this thing is very, very heavy, okay? This is how they do it in Ethiopia. So I'm just like trying to be traditional and go back to my roots.
Is that for real or because you didn't have it?
Because I don't have it. This is like warm / hot, so be careful with this. You're going to pop, 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 pop.
Who's gonna pop?
Elias is going to.
No, we're gonna.
Literally, this takes forever. Just buy a coffee grinder and make it easier on yourself, guys. 3 million years later. I'm just gonna pour it into this container. And you should be able to smell. The smell is so good. Now I'm gonna add some freshly grounded pink Himalayan sea salt. Taste. I'll start off with that. If I need more, I'll add more. We'll just mix that together. Now we're just gonna add some water to this, and because you're not going to be boiling this water or anything like that, make sure that you use distilled water or bottled water, but don't use freaking faucet water because you're gonna be eating this. You know, we're not boiling the water. So this is my distilled water over here, and I'm just gonna add some water. Then I'm going to start to mix it up just so I can see the consistency here. Add a little bit more. So if you're like trying to do keto or low carb like me, you can actually just drink this like as is. And it's really good. It's kind of like a soup. But
you don't have to eat with the injera,
you don't have to use
bread.
Yeah, exactly. You don't have to use injera because injera does have a lot of carbs in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some injera pieces to this. But I have eaten it as a soup before and it is really good. I have some injera in my refrigerator here. I tasted this and it needs a little bit more salt, so I'm just going to add a little bit more. I'm going to tear up some injera and I'm going to put it inside of here. So it's like kind of like when you make furfur or like chachapsa. Like kind of the same concept. The injera will absorb this soup. That's what you're looking for.
Don't make it dry.
Yes, sir. You should have about this sort of consistency, so you can see like there's still like liquid on the bottom. But now this is funny because it doesn't look very appetizing, right?
Yeah.
It kind of looks like really weird. But surprisingly, if you put the right amount of salt too, it's not that bad. But for something so healthy, it's actually not that bad. I'm gonna give it a taste. Let's see. SuperFood TELBA. It's good.
Right.
Here goes Mr. Elias trying. And how's the salt?
That's good.
It's good.
Yeah, this is like kind of appetizer too, you know.
Really?
For real.
Oh. You guys, that is hilarious. Like, I just stopped filming. Elias grabbed that so fast and came in here. Dang. You hungry? Rabe? Tobushi rabe? Oh, miskin.
Me not gonna cook.
Don't lie on camera, boy. Demolished. And as Elias does, leaves it on the table. Tobushi's hungry.
Rabbing.
Go ahead and say your 3 favorite words.
Rasmutats.
What else?
Duck wing. I got dizzy now.
So I went to the farmer's market the other day and I found something amazing, guys. Let me show you. Let me show you.
Ulu!
It is unbelievable.
Can you even carry?
No. You guys. Look what I got from the farmer's
You crazy.
market.
Why?
I got a watermelon with the seeds.
Okay, lift it up. That's it. Yep, do it.
I can't.
I see.
Yeah, this is heavy. This is huge, you guys. This is gonna sound crazy for anyone who doesn't live in the US, but I found a watermelon with seeds here. In the US, all of our fruits don't have any seeds. Finding a fruit with seeds is very rare, and I got it. I got a real watermelon.
Don't brag. What if when you open it, there is no seed at
Oh,
all?
there will be. This is a real organic watermelon.
All right, let's see.
Woo.
Let's see.
I paid $15 for this.
Is that organic or what is it?
It is. So you guys, this is from St. Michael's Farmers Market in Dallas, and the people who brought these watermelon, they actually have their own farm. They literally have videos and they show their watermelons and how they picked it and stuff like that. So these watermelons are locally grown and they are in season. That's why if anybody wants to ask, Amena, I thought you were keto. I am keto, but I will eat fruits that are in season. That's fine. Watermelon's in season, so I'm gonna eat it. Should we cut half or is half too much? Ready? I feel like I'm performing surgery or something. Oh yeah, baby. Ooh, get you a nice sharp knife. Oh yeah, look at that! It has seeds!
Yeah.
Yay! In the US, see, it will just have these white seeds in the US. And you might find one black seed. But in general, all of the fruits grown in the US are grown without seeds.
What about those white seeds?
You could eat them.
Are they not the same
As the black ones?
as the black ones?
I don't know. But the
So
white ones are edible and the black ones aren't, so.
racist.
Look at that, it's so red, dude.
Red, yeah, I think it's so delicious.
Last time when I went to Ethiopia, I specifically wondered because I never really see people eat watermelon, so I asked about that. Is that not a common fruit there? But they do have it. When you pass by the souk or the little stores.
We had it even at home.
We bought it because of me.
Oh, that's why.
I'm just saying, but in general, I don't see Ethiopian people eating a lot of watermelon, but they do have, they sell them. What is watermelon called in Amharic?
Habab.
Habab. Batikh in Arabic.
Batih.
Batikh.
Batih.
Look at the seeds! So exciting! Real fruit! You know the reason why they grow fruits in the US without any seeds? It's just for laziness, because it's easier to eat fruits that have no seeds.
Really?
That's the pure reason why they make it like that. Straight up laziness. Especially on a hot summer day like today, 100 degrees outside. Cold watermelon is so delicious. You know what, too? I've seen in some cultures, I think in Asian cultures, they cook the rind and they eat it. But it actually looked good.
And they ate it?
Yes. They cook it and and I don't know, I think they make a dessert from it too. They add sugar and it becomes soft.
Oh.
And then they like eat it. Alright guys, me and Elias are about to eat this. I'm actually going to call my brother. My brother is now my neighbor and he's gonna want in on this organic fresh watermelon, so I'm gonna call him and he can come over and eat too. But yeah, let's go. Look at this watermelon, guys. Alright, let's give it a shot.
Cheers.
Cheers! Oh my god.
So good.
That is delicious. Watermelon is high in vitamin C, so it's really, really good for you. I think I just ate those seeds. Is that okay?
I'm so excited.
I'm gonna have a watermelon grow inside of my body.
This is the best watermelon I've seen.
Yeah, it really is, guys. St. Michael's Farmers Market. Oh my god, look at this one. So red.
Especially the red one.
Oh my god, that was the best piece. That one right there was the best piece. Oh.
Melt in my mouth.
And back to the video. Peace in Africa. Bing. Hey guys, what's up? It's Amena. So today I'm standing like Superman. Let's try that again. So skirt is so big. I breathe. Look at my face. Jeez. Like a ghost.